Hey guys, today I am going to be doing my morning skincare. I'm getting ready to go to my master class to get another certificate for my makeup artistry, my freelance business. So I thought that it would be a perfect time for me to show you how I do my morning skincare routine. Now this is a travel edition. I do more at home, but I didn't want to bring all of my stuff with me. So this will just show you my basics that I do, especially when I'm traveling. First thing that I did was, after I got out of the shower, was I did a mask. And this is one of my absolute favorites. It's by Soap and Glory. And it is the Miracle Moisture Mask, super hydrating. It is fantastic. I have pretty oily skin, but when I travel, it doesn't matter. Even though I'm still here in Florida, my skin dries out. So you put this on, leave it on for 20 minutes. It is fantastic. There's more than enough to go down your chest and all of that kind of stuff. So I did this first. Now what I'm gonna do is my 1-2 step by Dr. Dennis Gross. It's the Alpha Beta, and then this is the extra strength daily peel. Because I use such strong skincare, I always get extra strength in anything. So for this, it's really easy, and they come in these packs just like this, which is fantastic for travel because I have one for today and one for tomorrow. And I do these every morning. So you just start with the one that says 1, and they just come in a little tiny square just like this, and it doesn't matter which side you use, but what you want to do is rub it all over your face and massaging it in. And you're going to keep doing this, avoiding your eyes, of course. Now, I'm not going to go down my chest because I actually already put my chest treatment on, because I have to do that before I put my shirt on. It's just too hard to try and work around it. But anyway, you're going to continue to do these swirling motions. Always get your ears as well. Make sure you get your nose really well in between your nose. Just avoid those eyes. Get the outsides of your lips, like your lip line, to help with those fine lines and wrinkles. And you're going to keep doing this until it's dry. I do it until there's just a tiny little bit left on it. I want to make sure that I get my whole face really, really well though. Of course, I woke up this morning with a zit on my chin on the day that I have to go do a master class. I never, ever break out. Never. And I woke up with one right in the dead center of my chin. Unbelievable. Okay, so now there's just a little tiny bit left on this, and what I like to do is take it and rub it on the tops of my hands, my fingers, and use the rest of that up, because your hands are the very first thing to show signs of aging. So anytime you're doing a skin treatment to your face, always do the same thing to your hands, and you will be able to notice a huge difference. Like already, let me see, you can see just how much more firm that looks. I should have showed the before. So then you wait 2 minutes. I believe that's what it says. Hold on, I can't see. Like at all. I cannot see a thing. Massage, clean, dry, till pad is dry. Wait 2 minutes. Okay, we are now down to just under 2 minutes. So I'm going to go ahead and open this up. And because I'm going to, I don't know if I said this or not, but because I'm going to this master class, we're supposed to come with no makeup on our face whatsoever. So I'm just going to do my skincare, and then I'll take my primer with me, because it did say that if you wanted to bring any of your makeup that you could. So I definitely will. Okay, so I'm going to do the same thing, circular motions. But I got a new neck cream that I ordered from Beautylish. It was crazy expensive, but I wanted something that really worked before I went and did something, and then I'm going to use the rest on my hands before I went and did something cosmetic. I've heard of people having that, I can't remember what it's called, but like it's supposed to like tighten your jaw, but I've seen people have like seriously bad side effects from that. When I looked it up online, so I was like, let me just try something topical first and see if we can make it better. But I had definitely, well, for one, I can see a difference. I've been using it for 2 weeks. There's definitely a difference. But I have it because I lost so much weight so quickly after getting off of all of my epilepsy medications. I dropped so much weight. I think I'm down to like 70 pounds now. And that's just been about a year. So when you lose the weight that quickly, is this not recording? Oh, thank gosh it is. I almost freaked out. Okay, so we're done with that. So when you lose the weight real fast, it doesn't tighten up very well. So the next thing that I'm going to do is go ahead and put my Clinique Prep Start onto my lips. I did already exfoliate my lips when I was in the shower. That's where I really like to do it. So I'm going to put this on my lips. Since they've already been exfoliated, this isn't a plumper or anything like that. This is just a lip mask. Now I do use the Bite Agave lip mask at night. So I'm going to set this to the side. Again, it was the Clinique Prep Start, and it is the Palette Restoring Night Mask. But I use this during the day, and I use my Agave night mask at night, or lip mask at night. Okay, so this is the stuff that I got from my neck. It's called Neck Elasticity Catalyst, and it's by NIOD, I believe. So anyway, it's a big thing. I got the biggest one. So what you do, it's the strangest consistency. Like, look at the color of it, and it's like I don't know. It's like an oily kind of, not really oily, I don't know. It's just an odd consistency. Anyway, you take it on your neck, and this is supposed to help firm everything up, and I swear by it. It really, really does. And I'm sure that if you look at some of my older videos, when I was losing the weight, you would see that I had like big time jowls, like big time. And you just want to make sure that you're bringing this up. And this is also what I use on my neck. But I have to do it before I put my clothes on. So, up. So, I put that on. And I truly believe that that makes a difference. So, I'm going to put that to the side. And again, that was by NIOD. I think that's how you pronounce it. NIOD. Actually, let me show you. Let me see if I can get it to focus. Come on. It wants to focus on everything else, so I don't think I'm going to be able to get it to focus. Anyway, it's NIOD, and it's the Neck Elasticity Catalyst, and I got it from Beautylish. The amazing thing about Beautylish is that you can order products, and then they allow you to make 3 payments, or like a payment each month, interest-free, and no credit check or anything like that, so it doesn't mess with your credit. Now, I did pick up, this is part of my haul, I picked up the Tatcha Luminous Deep Hydration Firming Eye Serum. Right here. Oh, and the coolest thing about Tatcha is that when you buy any product, so like you buy a product, it actually puts a child through an entire day of school somewhere in the world. So I'm all about the companies that give back, just like Diff Eyewear. I am a affiliate with them. If you want my discount code to get a discount off of the Diff Eyewear, which I wonder where, right here. These are the newest ones I just got. I love them. Oh my gosh, these glasses, they're everything. And they're polarized. I love them. But anyway, if you want that, let me know. Every pair of sunglasses that you buy, they give a pair of reading glasses to a child in need of reading glasses. So let's see what the directions are for the eye stuff. And I definitely am going to have my glasses on for this. Massage under eyes with cooling ceramic applicator for bright, beautiful eyes every day. What ceramic applicator? I didn't get a ceramic applicator. I wonder if I was supposed to buy that separate. I don't know, but I am running out of time, so I'm gonna just have to go ahead and use my fingers. Oh, you know what? It means this. This ceramic the applicator on it is actually ceramic. Man, I am. Okay, so with eye stuff, you need very, very, very little. That looks so blurry. Let me see. I don't know. I don't think that's much better. Anyway, you're gonna take it. That looks so blurry. And then up on the sides is where I put it as well. It does feel really, really nice. So this is supposed to be firming as well. Okay. And you know, I usually use my Lancer, but I try not to travel with my Lancer. And these were products that I had picked up at the Sephora VIB Rouge sale. So I figured, what the heck, let's use them. So I put that to the side, and put that to the side, and I'm gonna let this hang out and dry. And then I'm gonna move on to the Tatcha Deep Hydration Firming Serum. So I'm going to use this next, and I'm just gonna avoid my eyes where I just put that. I'm gonna give it a shake, and their packaging is always so beautiful. So I'm gonna take a little bit, and with any serum, you need very, very small amounts. So I mean like a little of it. And the way that you do your skincare is you wanna go from lightest to thickest. But start with your eyes first. That way they can just soak in. And then when applying any kind of a firming serum, you want to go opposite of what's happening. So if you're getting wrinkles, then you want to go up. If you have them right here, you're going to go out. Same by the nose, out and up. And then again, just like I always do, the rest on my hands so that it doesn't get wasted. Okay, then I have my Sol de Janeiro. This stuff is amazing. I think everybody knows about the body butter by this. This is the hand cream. It smells so good. So I'm gonna take just a little bit of that and put that on my hands and up my arms. So again, this is my every single morning, I got that all over my ring, skincare routine. And when I am at home, I do have a couple other things that I do, but I just didn't bring all that stuff with me. Okay, so I think what I'll do is just go ahead and pause you guys for a second. I'll let this sit for a couple minutes, and then I'll come back and I'll do my final part of my morning skincare, which will be my first primer that I use, and then the rest I'll show you what I'm going to take down to the class. So I will be right back with you. Okay, hi guys. I know the lighting is a little bit different. I had to turn my lights off so that's not going to help any. So I could charge my phone for a second. I went ahead and just put my hair into a ponytail and foofed it a little bit. I'm going to take some of my Even Eye Surf's Up Texture Spray and just a little bit, because I just washed my hair this morning, so it's super clean. And I was going to wear my hair extensions, but I'll put them in afterwards before I go live tonight, because that would just be way too freaking hot during this seminar. So I need to get all my makeup and everything packed up, but I wanted to just show you quickly my final steps. So I am going to, did I put my nose ring in? No, there it is. All right, I'm going to be using the Tatcha, the water gel. This is what I use as my moisturizer. So I'm just going to put a little bit of that, and I'm going to put that all over my face and on my neck, and then of course on my hands. Okay, so that is everything as far as my skincare goes. I'm going to be taking my Sisley primer with me, as well as my Tatcha Silk Canvas primer, and then a few other of my pieces of makeup, which I will show you guys all that tonight in my live stream. So I'm going to go ahead and end this so that I can head down there. I thank you guys so much for watching. I hope that my travel morning skincare routine helped you guys a little bit. If you have any questions, list them in the comment section below. Please be sure to like and sub and share this video, and let me know which requests you have for future videos. I'll definitely be doing a nighttime skincare. Oh, for gosh sake. Skincare video tonight. I'm going to show you how I take everything off, and I'll do that after the live stream and the giveaways. So I will talk to you guys in what will seem like just a second, but for me will be about 9 hours. So thank you for watching. I love you all. Remember, there are no such thing as disabilities, only different abilities. All my love to all of you. Mwah. God bless, and I'll talk to you tonight.